plumbing. Let's go see if this fixes the issue. Let's see. Yeah, it's still not draining. Water's still not draining. It's coming up. Here it is. Still not draining. Still not draining. But he's still snaking out the pipe. But it's not draining properly. So I don't know. Hopefully this will do the trick. And maintenance guys are the best though. They really do an awesome job. But it's an old problem that continues to happen. So this is just put that on there because I don't want it to back up and spray the entire place. So I don't know. I turned the pipe on, but it's still water coming up. It's not draining, but I guess we'll let it rest for a little bit, and maybe it will, you know, flush itself out. So this is the big equipment to drain out the pipes, but yeah, I don't think this is doing the trick. I don't know, family. I'm literally frustrated with this situation. So yeah, literally frustrated because this is continuing to happen, ongoing, constantly. So leave a comment and let me know what I need to do, because out of options at this point.
Oh, I don't understand.